Hello students, welcome once again to this channel. In this video we are going to see the fifth derivation of this lesson, electric potential and capacitance, chapter 2 of physics in CBSE class 12. Come on, let us move on to the derivation. This is the fifth one, relation between electric field and potential. The question may be asked in this way. Show that the electric field at any point is equal to the negative of the potential gradient at that point. Now, let us have a close look at the diagram. Here, there is a source charge which is plus Q at the point O. So, the electric field is radially outward. As you all know that from positive charge the electric lines of force originate and they end at negative charge. So here the electric field is radially outward. So in this direction I have drawn the electric field in this way. This is the direction of the electric field, and at a certain distance I have taken a point A. At this, in the electric field, at this point the potential is VA, and at another point I have taken it as B. At this point the electric potential is VB. The distance in between these points A and B is very small, so it is written as dr, and at the point a test charge which is positive in nature, which is also named as Q naught, is present. Now, what are we going to do is, we are going to move this test charge in this direction. I mean, in the direction which is opposite to the direction of the electric field. So, by keeping all these facts in mind, let us derive the equation. The force required to move the test charge Q naught against the electric field is, why it is written against? Because the movement of the test charge is in the direction which is opposite to the direction of the electric field. So F vector is equal to minus Q naught E vector. Here this minus sign indicates that the movement of the test charge is quite opposite to the direction of the electric field. That's why we have given the minus sign. Now, work done. What is the formula to calculate work done? Work done is force into distance. Here F is the force and dr is the small distance. Again, in the place of F, let me write its expression, that is minus Q naught E and dot dr. Let it be equation number 1. Then again, for work done there is another formula for it, that which is work done is equal to charge into potential difference. We know that charge is nothing but Q naught, but what is the potential difference? The difference in potential in between the initial potential and the final potential. So, which is calculated by subtracting the initial potential VA from the final potential VB. So, for potential difference it is written VB minus VA. This difference is written as dV. So, W is equal to Q naught dV. Let us take this equation as 2. Now, from equations 1 and 2, the left hand sides are equal, so the right hand sides must be equal. So minus Q naught E dot dr is equal to Q naught dV. Q naught and Q naught get cancelled. So what is left out here in this side? Minus E dot dr is, which is equal to in this side dV. So again, let me keep this E and minus this side and bring the dr this way. So it will become dV by dr. Now take the minus out, then this side will become minus. So I'm going to change the signs altogether. So here if I change plus, this side will become minus. So the final expression comes this way. Capital E, that is electric field, is equal to minus dV by dr. So electric field is equal to the negative potential gradient. So we have proved it. With this derivation has come to an end. Let us meet with the next derivation in the next video.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.